Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Lucas Copy Academy YouTube channel, and you're watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is the 12th of December, 12th, 2024. Hello, hello. Can you hear me, guys? Okay, so like I was saying that I'm a Lucas Copy's trading community member. Uh, Please do not confuse me as an employee of Lucas Copy Bank because I'm not. I'm an independent trader and technical analyst. So therefore, everything that I say here in this live stream is my opinion. It has nothing to do with the Lucas Copy Bank. Okay, so I'm just using a YouTube platform or YouTube channel to showcase my analysis that I what I think about the markets, like what can happen, whatever is my analysis. I'm trying to share it with you. This can be useful for them, those who want to learn the price action, how to read the price. I mean, I'm not an expert, but yes, my analysis is sufficient to put me in a place where I'm profiting. Yes, this is what it is. Yeah. Now, before I start the live stream, I must also tell you that everything that I say in this live stream is only for information or knowledge purpose. It cannot be used as a trading advice. You want to place trades, that is your wish, but I will say that don't push a button on the real markets unless you know what you're doing. So please do your own research before you put your real money on the line. Before I start this session, I must take you through this disclaimer. Please understand the associated risk while trading the forex on margin. Once you are done reading and understanding these four paragraphs, then only move to the charts because these are very important things. Alright, as always, we will do the first things first. What you are seeing right now is a small picture of the US dollar index. This is the daily chart. After the price went into this weekly or daily level gap from the rejection from there, now what the price is doing right now. This is that part, okay? If I zoom in, sorry, if I zoom out, you will see that the price was rallying up from here till here. It has taken all this liquidity, it has taken this liquidity, and has taken this liquidity as well, and entered this fair value gap, tried to enter this fair value gap, and got rejected from there. I can say this is small reaction, but such small reactions can push the price to another fair value gap, which is here, and it has pushed the price to that fair value gap. After that, the price has changed the market structure here again. In this change, there is only one fair value gap. If you notice carefully, that there is only this one fair value gap from where, if someone wants to go long, he can, you know, buy more at this area. That is from 106.28 to the level of 106.21. Although I would love to see if the price has to go higher from here, it should tap into this fair value gap and then start going higher. It should not even touch the low of this fair value gap or the high of this gap. If it has to go higher, if it does so, then I will not be so confident. If the price tests the low of this fair value gap, I will not be very happy to take that buy. So what my interest over here is, the price comes here, test this, and then boom, same time. If it stays here for long, I will not be very much happy. I want something like this. Test this, boom, same time. Okay. I hope you got my point. Now, in the process, if the price say, like the price has not even used this fair value gap even once on the daily. Had the price come to this level and then took this liquidity, then I would have thought, okay, this is the level which is going high. Now it has taken liquidity before and then it is going down. Actually, this is not useful now. Let me have a look. Now this has given us a market structure shift. Those who are fan of Fibonacci, so you see this is a swing low here. From this swing low to say tomorrow we get a swing high here. Sorry, I mean this is a swing high and tomorrow we get a lower high here. Then this will be a Fibonacci retracement. In that case, this 61.2 will be like the best for me to 50% to 60. This will be a best case scenario for me to open a buy trade. So let us see how the things unfold right now. But in the bigger, I would say, horizon, I'm looking for longs here. Why? Because the market was up, it turned from here, then again gave us a market structure shift. Although this is not looking very good from the bullish point of view because the market has failed to close high, but there is still 11 hours and 47 minutes. So I don't want to, say that market has rejected from there because there is 11 hours to go. So anything can happen. If it is able to give a clean, better close than this, then I think we will keep looking for the buys tomorrow. I hope you got my point. So if the US dollar is going up, we can expect a lower run in the pound, but I'm not expecting a lower run in the pound because the market structure has shifted to the upside and the fair value gaps are being respected in this market at least. So every time the price is coming lower, somebody's filling his bags or somebody's buying it. You see, and this is just a consolidation, I will say, before the leg up. This is what my expectation is. Why I'm expecting like this? Okay, so now this is the consecutive order block, and once it is broken, it is called breaker block. Bring it up. So when the price comes into this, it should be seen as a buying opportunity. Okay, so that is from my side, guys. Now, if we buy it, what should be our target? First is this fair value gap. Second is this fair value gap. If the price is able to go higher than this, then it will be these equal highs. Thereafter, I'll be using this fair value gap and this fair value gap. So buying, I think there is a lot of opportunity for us to target on the upside because you see everything is like falling against the US dollar, but not the pound. I'll show you the euro here. This is the euro. You can see euro is falling, although now it is not falling that much. But earlier euro was falling. It made see lower low here on 22nd of November. And on 22nd of November, okay, this also made it. Then it shifted the market structure and started going higher. Although euro has not started going higher. Anyways, now I feel that pound is stronger than the euro. Now in the euro USD, this fair value gap is able to stop the price from going higher. Now, will it be able to send the price to this fair value gap? Now, that is what we have to see. Does it have that power? We are not sure yet. Why? Because the selling looks limited here. You see, the selling happened, price went again higher. 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 So, yeah, I'm finding it difficult to sell this market here. Why? Because it is very close to the support area. If it goes higher and give me another opportunity somewhere here, maybe I will. But right now, it's not a good idea to sell at these. Something similar with the Australian dollar. It has taken all this liquidity. Even this liquidity has been taken now, even if you say. But this is a shallow run. So this is an obvious liquidity. If the price is able to, come back to this area, I'll be very happy. Uh, Swing high. Then again, this is a swing high. Now this is swing. All right. So you see, guys, this is a swing high and this is low. 62% is acting as resistance. Boom, boom. This is a very nice market again. Just if you want to use it, you can use it on the 15-minute time frames. How you can use it? That once the swing high and low is identified on the daily chart, see this here. I will show you once the chart gets loaded. Okay. So once the swing high and the swing low gets, and once you reach 62%, you know that you are expecting a market structure shift. So you see here the price was going lower high, sorry, higher high than higher lows. Here, this was a displacement. So somebody started selling at above 62% and he displaced below this low. When he displaced below this low, is there any fair value gap? This is one and this is two. Yes. So you enter this fair value gap here. You keep your stop loss here. And where is your target? I think you know already where is your target. Although I don't like this happening here. These are the obvious ones. Yeah. Market is expected to go to these levels, 0.633. That is for sure. Why? Because this is not the liquidity taken. Price needs to close below this 15 minute and then go high. But this buying is looking aggressive to me. But I would be expecting lower prices again in this market, even if the price rises from here, there will be more filling and then the price will drop. That is what expectations. Okay, New Zealand dollar. We were expecting one full fair value gap here yesterday, but that did not come. So we are not expecting anything now. There was no fair value gap for the price to run lower from here. So a lower run is not possible in the New Zealand dollar. USD CHF is getting rejected from this fair value gap. Having a close below this fair value gap will open up the way for price to retrace back to these fair value gaps. Not this one, but this one. Wait, let's see. USD yen finally came to that fair value gap again, although failed to take the highs of yesterday, but still is getting rejected at that gap. Now this gap is of no importance, and yeah, I'm expecting a run to this 150.85 area. So let us see about that. Bitcoin is able to manage a close above the yesterday, or sorry, day before yesterday's candle. This is a bullish pin bar at the support. This is also creating a fair value gap. Now, if this fair value gap doesn't get filled tomorrow, then there can be another leg up in this market, and that leg may be very sharp. That is my expectation. Brent, like we discussed yesterday, that there is a possibility, very high possibility, that the price will go to this area, and thereafter this value gap. This is a very huge gap here. Actually, only time will tell what is going to happen with this gap. Although I'm bearish on this market till the time this gap is not filled. Okay, but there is a lot of consolidation here, you can see, and I think I have also told you that once there is a break to the one side and then market starts going to the other side, it is very bullish generally. So there's a possibility that the people have filled all their pockets here and they want to take all these highs and maybe eventually go to 81. Let's see, is it possible or not. On the way up, there is no fair value gap. I'm not very happy with this run up, so I would like to see one run lower and then again high. Gold. Okay, yesterday we went higher than this, took the liquidity, entered this fair value gap, traded the midpoint. Even today we have traded the midpoint and extended lower. So now I'm looking for the lower prices in the gold. I think this fair value gap will not be respected, although we can keep it there. Okay, but I think this will not be respected and the price will continue lower now. This is my expectation now. This was expected here, but it did not happen here. It happened like this now. So anybody who is long here should be very cautious now. In the gold, don't expect now higher prices. And gold, if the gold would have to go higher, it would have to close above this 50%, that is above 2720. Now algorithmically, since it has not closed above, so I can safely say that the price is headed lower. Euro yen, this level gap is providing a huge resistance to the price. Yesterday, day before yesterday, the price rejected from here. Yesterday, the price rejected from here. Today, the price rejected from here. But I'm not able to open any sell or buy position because the price is stuck between two fair value gaps. So I'm not very comfortable in selling this market or in buying this market. So I will just stay away from this market. GBPAUD, after taking all the targets, market has given us a bearish engulfing and a bearish pin bar on the resistance. This is not an indication to go long, but the reverse of it. This is an indication to go short. But the problem is that there is a fair value gap on the way here that has not been filled. So till the time the price does not close below this, I will not be very sure to go short. So if I have to go short, I will be shorting very high, but not on the daily time frame. I'm not short here. This is a swing low. I would rather let the swing high to be formed, then I will decide what has to be done. CHF well, this price action was this is exactly what was expected. Now I will be looking for selling opportunity in the CHF with the huge targets on the downside, which is 165.27 and 162.12, and in fact there is further one more target, 162.12. Yeah, 158.47. This is my target on the downside, 158.47. Okay, this is the ladder liquidity, and I would love to take that liquidity. Australian dollar against the New Zealand. Till yesterday it was bullish, but today it has entered the fair value gap. You see the power of fair value gap here. The market has started selling off from here. If you go to 15 minute, you will easily find 20 to 40 pips. Easily. You just have to mark this fair value gap. Okay. Then wait there. Once on the 15 minute the market structure shifts, you have a fair value gap here, and yeah, this is only one fair value gap. So you just enter here and keep a stop loss higher than this value. In this case, you might be thinking, oh, okay, what I say 1.1035 is your selling part and 1.1062 is your stop loss. You know, what are you targeting here? What are you targeting here? You are targeting the low 1.1008 or even lower. But in any case, you know what you have got yourself into. Now this is the 15 minute I told you. On the 5 minute you will find even better trade. On 1 minute even better. But are you willing to go to that 1 minute? Can you trade 1 minute? I don't know. Maybe you cannot trade this because there was no market structure shift. Thereafter, when this market structure shift happened, you see this 5 minute. Once this market structure shift happened, below this there is one this 5 minute. There is only one 5 minute. So you could have only entered here or maybe here. Your stop loss would have been here. So you're getting my point. Even 1 minute there will be even better entry. But are you comfortable trading 1 minute? That is the problem. Okay. And in 1 minute there is so many whips. So one whip so is here. Then there is one whip so here. Then there is one whip so here. So you will not have a better. Yeah, this one is good. Okay. Now, if you have to trade the particular time, that is US Open and London Open, then it will be a better, because you may get whipsaws at other times, but in the opening times you won't get. Okay. So anyways, now I'm expecting a sell off from here and the lower prices. This should also be the 50% or something of this will lower. Gas, we are bullish. We were bullish. We will be bullish. The target is what, 3.645. Once that is taken, okay, let me charge to please. Yeah, once that is taken, what is next that we have to see? There, I think we have a favorable gap over here that can be tested. This one, although that was tested already to go lower, but this is the one. I will be looking for 4.80 maybe this one. So the gas market is now going good. You see, boom, boom, boom. One can become rich if he's buying gas. Gas is a very slow moving product, but still it is worth. Okay, we were expecting the price to go into this fair value gap and then get rejected. It has not gone there, but right now I'm expecting it to go there. See how beautifully the price has been capped by this fair value gap. The VIX went lower, but the price is able to close higher in this inside this. Today, this is a green candle. Okay, that means there is no continuation from yesterday. Tomorrow, if we see another green, this will be an indication to go into this. This is not an indication to go long. Okay, this is an indication that we can look the price to enter in this fair value gap, from where I'll be looking for a short entry. Okay, so I'll be looking for a short entry there. Let's see how the things unfold. Ethereum candle failed to close higher than the fair value gap, so I'm not willing to buy this market right now. You see, okay, so this fair value gap should be seen as a resistance here. The price closes below this, I will be looking for this fair value gap to give us some buying opportunity. That's all, nothing much. I'm looking for selling right now. But if you're looking for selling, you need a market structure shift, right? There has been no market structure shift. So you can say that the price is stuck between this bearish fair value gap and the bullish fair value gap. Once the price closes below this bullish fair value gap, then I think I will be looking for the selling market, the market to sell. That's all, guys, from my side. Any questions will be welcome. If no questions, I would love to wrap up the session. In the meantime, if you are here, you can smash that like button. Of course, if you are here, you are enjoying the show. There is no harm in pressing the like button. Alright, I hope you know about the support and resistance levels. That will be of some interest in the coming time. Just remember, do not risk more than 1% of your entire equity on any single trade. It does help in the long run. Okay? This, I cannot stress it more. The entry and exits are secondary. Primary is your risk management. Never risk more than 1% of your entire equity on any single trade, even if it is going to make millions of pips. Don't risk more than 1%, okay? And expect from your trade to deliver you at least 3 times the risk that you're going to take. If your trade has no potential of delivering you 1 is to 3, at least expect 1 is to 2. If that is also not your expectation, then there is no point in pressing the button to open a trade. Let that trade pass away, and next trade may give you 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 3. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section, and please consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow at 1700 GMT. Bye bye. Take care.